nature is beautiful. As you see, lovely trees and lampposts, grass and
beautiful. Nature's beautiful.
Anyways, camera's on me. As you see, the soils will make up a beautiful tree.
Oh! What? Nature's beautiful.
Anyways, ignore her. There are some bad nature, like these jagged nettles.
Nature's beautiful.
Never go in here because this is very dangerous. Right. I just see these little.
She's going in it. She's going in it.
No, don't. Anyways, these are very jaggable. They grow. They grow cherries and all sorts.
Electricity.
Ignore her.
Is that a cherry?
Yes, it is. Why don't you try one,
Nature's
darling?
beautiful, darling.
She's beautiful.
What a freak.
Nature. Because nature.
She's a freak of nature.
Beautiful. I tell you.
She's not natural.
No. Right. As you see these lovely leaves over here,
Oh my god, they're so lovely.
aren't they? They're just so poised and green.
Hey there.
Nature's
Cameras
beautiful.
on me.
Nature's beautiful.
And as you see of these council houses, I rented one time. I lived in
Nature's beautiful, darling. Don't let everything go down.
I lived in that one right there, and then I
I lived
moved.
in that one. I'm living in it right now. I'll bring you out.
Show us. Thank God, run away, freaking run away. Hide. Hide, you freak of nature.
Nature's beautiful. Come and see my house. You come to see my house?
Go away. We're trying to do a commercial.
There's a cat.
Oh, kitty cat here. I love you.
I want to see.
Darling, don't run away, darling. Dirty bastard. Oh, sorry. Sorry for the language.
Don't let people get you down.
Right, as you see with these are jaggable. Never fall in them. My friend Jenna Stephen fell in them when she was about to ask out Charles Simpson and she was bleeding to death. It was such a shame. Haha. Anyway, well, haha.
Oh, I'm gonna fall.
Ah!
So sorry.
Beautiful.
Oh shit, someone's gonna look.
Beautiful.
Ah! Run away!
I've got one now. Nature's beautiful. Don't let people get you down. Nature.
1, 2, 3 was the nature's beautiful.
Nature is beautiful.
Say goodbye.
I love nature.